It's a 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. Turn the ordinary of the everyday into an adventure every day with the versatile and fun Tiguan. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: auto-dimming rearview mirror, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system, automatic transmission, Climatronic dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection reports crash test results for the Tiguan have been excellent, and Volkswagen continues to offer a few more safety features than you'd typically expect to see in a small crossover. Enjoy every drive in a Volkswagen. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.